Hello students, welcome back. I'm Arijit sir. Today in our organic name reaction mechanism, we are going to study about the Diels-Alder reaction mechanism. Okay, so what is Diels-Alder reaction mechanism, students? It is the addition reaction of alpha beta unsaturated carbonyl compounds to a conjugate diene. Alpha beta unsaturated carbonyl compounds such as alpha beta unsaturated acids, acid anhydrides, esters, aldehydes, and ketones are called dienophiles or the dienolavine. That is, 1,4 addition takes place into the conjugated diene and forming thereby always a 6-member ring product called the adduct. Now I am going to show you what is actually happening over here. You can see this is a type of diene. Okay. Now see, this is our one of the diene. Okay, now whenever it actually reacts with this alpha beta unsaturated carbonyl compounds, they forms this type of adduct, 6-membered ring adduct. Okay, see, actually joined, and this is actually the formation. Actually this is our diene, and this one is our alpha beta unsaturated carbonyl compounds, and this is our adduct. Okay, six-membered ring. Okay students, now I am giving you an example. After that I will give you some of the actually the mechanism. Okay, now example for, you can take butadiene. First I am giving example today. Say this is our butadiene. Okay, whenever butadiene reacts with acraldehydes, I am taking acraldehyde. Okay, they forms with some of the heating, they forms this compound. Okay, this is tetrahydrobenzaldehyde. This is our tetrahydrobenzaldehyde. Actually students, how actually this reaction is happening over here, I am going to show it to you. Okay, now for the mechanism portion, now the mechanism is very easy mechanism. Okay, now say for example, if we take another example like this, say whenever this diene actually reacting over here, first of all this one, this over here, and this one into this position. Okay, now for this reason one of them getting this negative sign, another one is getting the positive sign over here. Okay, and this is due to the electromagnetic effect. And this acraldehyde, this is step 2, this is step 1, and in step 2 this acraldehyde gets into this business due to this electromagnetic effect of pulling the electrons by the CHO group. Okay, now this one gets into this position in plus, this one becomes minus, and this one is our CHO. Okay, and this is the position, and now these two actually gets adduct. This plus position gets adduct with this minus one, and this minus gets adduct with this plus position. Okay, and then they forms the third step. Now see the adduct, how they are forming this tetrahydrobenzaldehyde. These two are going to be adduct. This is our 6-membered ring, you can see, and this is our CHO remaining. This is how actually a reaction occurs. Okay, students. Now I'm giving you actually the product. This is our product, and up to this point the reaction is complete. This is our Diels-Alder reaction. Okay, students. This is our Diels-Alder reaction. Okay. Now here in this case, some of the scopes I am going to tell you. Some of the scopes are there. If in case of this butadiene, if we take this compound for this diene, portion, now you can see due to this inductive effect, the factor is that it will be the -1, and here it will form the +1. Okay, and this is for sure. And here in this case, this is actually symmetric one. That's why the plus minus can get into this any position. This position can be plus and this position can be minus, because both are similar positions. But here in this compound, for this compound, this one always, this carbon will get the negative port negative, and this carbon will get the positive one. Okay, and after that the addition will take place. Here you can see another example I am giving you. This butadiene, when reacts with crotonic acid, they forms this compound. Okay, this compound is 6-membered ring compound, and whenever this mild oxidation takes place, after the mild oxidation by Cr2O3 or anything else, mild oxidation I am writing here, and this one gets out of the system due to the mild oxidation, and they forms, you can see, this is our 6-membered ring, another methyl group is there, so it will form the toluene. Okay, so this is how we can prepare toluene also, okay, from butadiene and crotonic acid. Okay, students, so hope you like this video today. We have completed today in Diels-Alder reaction completely. So if you like it, please subscribe my channel and don't forget to share with your friends. Thank you. Have a nice day.